Welcome to Car Zone, where every turn of the wheel spins your fate. From wild moves to instant karma crashes, you're about to see it all. Going viral for road rage? Trust me, no one wants that. A move that went down in history, quite literally into the dirt. This shortcut seems a bit more expensive than expected. When the craving for chicken nuggets overpowers both logic and your vehicle's height. The tire said, "I'm tired. I want to go sideways."
What is happening?
Why are they still going?
I don't know, but I don't want to drive past them.
Oh my god, I'm gonna stand up.
When two stubborn drivers meet on a narrow road. A quote VAR check from the car following the rules.
Oh, running red light. Oh my god!
Holy
What the?
Who needs all four wheels when you have enough audacity? When you try to squeeze in and the universe says, no. The fastest parking job in history. In a hurry just to flip out on the world.
Oh yeah? Yeah, better!
An unsuccessful takeoff by a ground pilot. The police have activated no more talk mode. When everyone decides to stop at the same spot at the same time. This kind of U-turn only gets you a full combo. When you accidentally press the self-destruct button instead of the nitro. Looks like autopilot is on vacation. When you want to drift, but forget you're not Ken Block.
Where's the White House? Oh, where are you going?
Oh my god!
An involuntary somersault on the highway. A drift that was literally shining.
Reporting on that is not wrong.
The red light was just a suggestion, right? Never fight for a lane with the big boss. When you're just chilling and reality hits you with a truck. A brake check that went down in history. An impromptu meeting on the highway. A bad decision worth a whole car. What it feels like to be the filling in a nightmare sandwich. A hard lesson. Wet roads are not for beginners. When you want to park in someone's yard, but don't have the gate key. When multiple people want to cross the intersection at the same time. You need to ask for permission before changing lanes, buddy.
Sitting across from Timmy in the Pulitzer Prize winning news.
One brake pedal press that changed the lives of many.
Eyes literally opened.
I think he needs to retake his driving test. When the truck decides to literally go out with a bang. A lesson on not maintaining a safe distance. A chaotic scene straight out of a Hollywood action movie. When you're in such a hurry, you forget red lights still exist. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support Car Zone so we can keep bringing you intense and eye-opening crash footage. Thanks for watching Car Zone.